Well, we have several, but certainly we want to expand the alternative justice program, not only across Jamaica, but focusing on the sort of vulnerable groups. We know that we have a fair amount of domestic abuse, and these abused persons should really be brought out of hiding so that they can go to victim services or get legal help. We feel that there are many vulnerable groups that really can be assisted, and that is why we will be promoting the alternative justice services. We feel that not every case you need to take to the court. You could go to a restorative justice center, you could see a restorative justice facilitator, and these matters can be dealt with amicably without the expense and inconvenience of having to go to court. But also, we want to see the courts themselves improve not only in accessibility, but in the delivery of justice. Certainly, we are continuing the improvement in technology, and we hope that starting this year, we can move towards a paperless court system. It's important that we have an integrated technology system that connect the DPP, the police, and the courts and other supporting services so that rather than the bundles of paper that you see in courts, everything can be dealt with electronically. And that is something that I think under this program, the UNDP will be working with us. We did visit Rwanda and see how they have a paperless system and no files in court, just laptops and our computers. And that is where we want to go as quickly as possible. And everything we have been doing is to ensure that every citizen in Jamaica has access. There should be no further cry about we want justice because we now have, and we're advertising, access for information and to justice services by any citizen can call 888 Justice to get the information, to provide the necessary services, to get information, and from the information, they can use that information to determine whether they should go to victim services, whether they should go to restorative justice, or whether they should go to legal aid for further legal advice. Well, certainly in terms of the technology, the judiciary will benefit in that respect. From the Ministry of Justice standpoint, we are definitely working to ensure that the facilities, all justice facilities, start being rated on 1 to 5 stars. I don't think we have any now that is more than 3 star, maybe the Court of Appeal and some one or two other courts. But most of our court facilities are not even at 1 star. So the Ministry of Justice certainly would want to bring up all our justice facilities where people can come not only to access justice, but have it delivered in a very comfortable environment. The judiciary, there will be several other training programs, not for the judiciary, because they have the opportunity and funds to do their additional training for themselves, but the others services that we provide to them, such as the court reporting. We will be training a number additional court reporters who will be able to assist the courts in getting records provided on a very timely basis.